Hi guys, welcome back. Alpha Wolf here. For a while I've not made videos, but I'm very grateful to God I'm back here to give you guys quality content. What a privilege to be alive. I'm grateful to God. I thank God for each and every one of you that watch my channel. Today's video is going to be another interesting one. The last video I made was like 4 days ago, but then today I'll be dropping content back to back all through the week, right? Today's video I'll be teaching you how you can make crazy amount of money using artificial intelligence to create drawings, and I'm going to explain to you how this thing works. Now, the thing is, there are many ways you can make money on Amazon, and one of the ways to make money on Amazon is for you to publish books. Now, one of the books you can publish on Amazon that will not require you to, write or do crazy amount of work is creating drawing books for children to draw. And the thing is, a lot of us do not know how to design drawings, and that is where artificial intelligence comes in. There's something called AutoDraw. AutoDraw. If you go on Google and search for AutoDraw, you're going to see that there's a fast drawing for everyone. AutoDraw pairs machine learning with drawing from talented artists to help you draw stuff. So all you need to do is for you to just be able to have an idea of what you want to draw, and when you bring it on that platform, you start drawing. Automatically, artificial intelligence will take that drawing and give you a better version of that drawing. For me not to make this thing very long and make it boring to you guys, I'm going to show you practically how we can create drawings on AutoDraw and how you can go on to monetize this, right? So let me just go and show you guys example of how this thing works. If you go to autodraw.com, autodraw.com, you're going to see a dashboard like this. Now this dashboard is a free dashboard. What you're going to do on this dashboard is you're going to try to create a drawing of something that you want to draw. For example, let's say I want to draw a chair. I know that a chair has 4 legs and has a pave you can sit on. So let's say I draw something like this, right? I'm drawing with my mouse, so permit me. It will not be straight, but this is where the AutoDraw tool is powerful, right? I'm going to bring this one down, and I'm going to bring this like this, right? And this is the first part of the chair. I'm going to do like I'm trying to draw where people will sit on the chair. I'm going to join this together, right? Notice for now it is not straight, right? And I'm telling you that all I need to do is just have a sketch. AI is going to generate exactly what I want to draw now. I want to draw this like the 4 legs, 2, 3, 4. And now the beautiful thing is, when you're trying to create this, it doesn't need to be perfect. You just need to have an idea of what you want to do. Now I have created a chair. I'm trying to draw a chair like this, and the next thing AutoDraw is going to bring features of things that could look like what I want to do. So from here you can see that where my mouse is hovering on, there are designs of chair. All I need to do is to just click either this one, this is a chair, right? Or I can click on this is another chair. So all I need to do is just have a sketch, and automatically AI is going to help me generate the chair. Right now I have a chair here. Let's say I want to draw something else. I'm going to go back again to the AI tool. If you want to click on that, you're going to click here, right? You take your mouse and you click on this pen tool. Let's say I want to draw a table. So I'm going to draw a table. A table has a rectangular base and 4 legs. So I'm just going to do something like this. Let's say this is the top of the table. Drawn the base of the table. I'm going to draw 4 legs for the table, 3 and 4. Your sketch doesn't need to be perfect, but while you are creating that table, you're going to see that a lot of options will come, and all you need to do is to just see something that looks like what you want to design. And look at this. This is a table. I'm going to click on that. Now I have a table and a chair. Now let's say I want to put this chair and table together, the table before the chair. I will just come to this place, click on this my arrow, click on select. I can come here, I drag this here, and I'll take the table, click on select table, I bring it here, and I'm going to bring the chair, I put it here. Now I have a chair and a table. Now let's assume that I want this table to be big like this, and this chair should be somewhere around there. You can see that I have a chair and a table. Now let's say I want the table color to be black and the chair color to be red. I'll click here, I'll select the table, I'll come to this blue icon where the color is, I'll change it from here to red, right? And I'll click on the chair. I would select it and I'll change it to be black, right? So I have a black chair and a red table. Now I can change this also back to black. Now I can change this to black, and with this I can choose to play around with these tools. For example, this is like a type 2. Let's say I want to type chair and table here. I'm just going to come here and write table and chair, right? I can change the font style to Rubik, and I can increase the font to, let's say, 24. I can spread it like this, make it bigger, right? Table and chair, and I can drag it to the middle like this, and I can change the color to black. Now all I need to do is to just go on to save this and create more designs like this, right? And before you know, I can begin to make money of this, right? Now I have a table and chair. If you notice, I did not design the original table. All I did was just have a sketch of what I want to design, and the AI, the auto draw, brought me a chair and brought me a table. How can you make money from this? A lot of children are in primary schools and they want to have drawing books that they can, use as drawing books in Nigeria and in different parts of the world. All you need to do is to just come to this place, design various objects, design various stuff, and begin to upload them as books on Amazon Kindle, or even print it out as books that children will use for drawing books, and you begin to make crazy amount of money. Let's say I'm through with this design and I want to draw an apple on this table. Look at this. Now I can just bring this table down, bring this chair down. I want to put an apple on the table. All I need to do is just click on this auto draw tool. I'll click here. I'm going to draw something like sketch of an apple, something like this, another one like this, right? You know the way apple is always something like this, and is a top, something on top like this, like an apple. So I have different designs of an apple. I think this particular one is the perfect design of the apple I want. I can just take this apple, I can reduce the size if I want to, right? And I can put the apple on this table, and I'll change the color to black or to green. Color of apples, I can fill this color to color green, right? So now I have a green apple on my table. You can come on to play with this tool, and you can go on to create a lot of amazing stuff. And when you are through, you're just going to come to this place, click on download, and the image is going to download as a PNG, right? Now you can see that AutoDraw has downloaded this image for me. All I need to do is to just double click on it, and the image will show on my computer. Now if you don't know how to make money from this, that is a different ballgame entirely. You can begin to make money creating designs and selling them on Fiverr. You can begin to make this money like this, creating designs and selling them on Upwork. You can even make money by creating this design and selling them on Amazon Kindle. A lot of people, the challenge they have is they are not graphics designer, they don't know how to create this stuff, but I've given you a free AI tool that can help you make money. Look at this, how to create designs like this totally for free, right? This is what this content today is about. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. When I drop interesting content, you will not miss out. Guys, this is the end of today's video. If you want me to do further videos on how you can make money and market this stuff, leave that in the comment section. I can go on to take it to the next level, showing you guys step by step how you can make money from this. But if you're watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.